Contractor digital marketing ideas, tips, and strategies in Africa for 2021 and beyond. Here are the top 10 online marketing ideas, tips and strategies on how contractors can get more customer leads to ensure continuous profitability. First, ensure you have a functional website. Having a clear and professionally designed website helps clients to figure out what to do. Your website needs to be fast loading and be mobile responsive to look good on the phone. It should be user-friendly with graphics of both your past and current projects. First Page Basis Company can create a responsive website for your construction business at 35,000 Kenya shillings, with free domain and hosting for 1 year. We also fix all websites issues, bugs or errors at 8,000 Kenya shillings only. 2. Prepare for Google local service advertisements. Local service ads have substantially changed how most contractors do paid search advertising on Google. You should use pay-per-click, PPC platform, and pay for leads that contact you rather than traffic to your website. Make sure you ask for reviews because the number of reviews you have, and your average star rating affect your Google rankings. Work hard to pass a background check to become a Google verified business. 3. Get more customer reviews and manage your online reputation. A great review profile starts with offering the best services, and being proactive on your social media. You can embed Google reviews into a review page on your website, where you can have the review us on Google badge and link. What is easier is to have a top-rated local page on Google so that you get a rating score. 4. Video marketing. Mobile searchers love videos. Why should client leads choose you instead of another contracting service? Create videos of your contract projects, and upload them on your social media pages and on your website homepage. First Page Basis will turn your photos into a virtual tour. 40 photos with a 100 words English voiceover at 10,000 Kenya shillings. 5. Do search engine optimization, SEO, for your services. Start by making sure you rank for long-tail keywords like best contracting service, reliable contractor, and optimize your website homepage for the keywords terms by using them on your title tag, meta descriptions, headlines, and on-page blog content. When search engines like Google crawl web pages, you will be discovered, and this leads to organic traffic. 6. Social media marketing. Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn are common social media marketing platforms for contractors. Facebook and Instagram work best for home-based services. LinkedIn is best for making peer and professional contacts. Make sure your social media business accounts are active, so that people can reach out to you. First Page Basis will professionally manage and grow your social media business pages, at an average price of 35,000 Kenya shillings per month. 7. Have a high client conversion rate. Being responsive to clients by taking phone calls and responding to emails will maintain their interest. You should make sure you show up on time for estimates. Be fair and professional when you meet a lead. 8. Have a solid client retention strategy. It is cheaper to market to people who already know you and appreciate your work. Keep in touch with your former clients by establishing connections on social media. Update them on any seasonal offers via email marketing strategies. 9. Create a specialization in a particular type of construction or repair work. Having a clear edge over your competition will enable you to market your construction business better. You need to develop a unique value proposition that makes it unlikely for clients to want to choose another alternative. Work to be the best in a particular field, and use that as your lead into other work. 10. Lastly, run retargeting adverts. Retargeting ads is when someone comes to your website and then leaves. Retargeting ads will follow them around on the internet. As they are looking at websites like YouTube, Facebook, or just browsing news sites, they will see your banner ads for your business. First Page Basis Company has great digital marketing solutions for your business. Give us a call if you have questions. We'd love to help you out. Our email address is firstpagebasis@gmail.com.